Hi, Craig. This is Shannon calling back from Temecula Creek Veterinary. I was able to chat with Dr. Moss in regards to the visit from Dr. Martin out there, and wanted to let you know that he did reach out to Animal Control and inform them to pull the report that was emailed to them as he read over it, and definitely see some, holes in there, some questions that weren't asked, some information that should have been excluded, and then some information that obviously should have been placed in place there, as well as photos from the exam. So he did offer and said that he would refund the money that was charged to your card ending in 0724 in the amount of $250. So I will go ahead and charge that money back onto your card, refund that amount to you from the 11th, and then the animal control officer did say that you just need to have a vet of your choice come on out to the farm and redo the exam. So I will go ahead and refund that money, and like I said, that report has been pulled from animal control, so that will not be used. She was going to be deleting that and just sending that back to us. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Our number here, 951-395-0398, and I wish you the best. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.